Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and we can go to Instagram direct messages. We can click on the Instagram DM icon right here on the top right corner, and then we can go to our group chat. You can select a group chat you want to send a poll to, and wait, for example, I'm going to select this group chat. I'm going to send a poll to this group chat. Okay, and this is the previous poll I have created guys, and I'm going to show you how we can create it. So in the previous version of Instagram, usually we need to go to the sticker, and then the poll option will appear right here. But in the new version of Instagram, you have to click on this plus icon to create an Instagram poll. Okay, here you will be able to create a poll. Just tap on that, and then you can add poll question. For example, I'm going to type in, what is your favorite color? Okay, like this, and I'm going to add question mark. Okay, and here you will be able to add option to your poll. I'm just going to add, for example, yellow, and then also green and blue. Okay, and red, and you can add the the options as much as you like. And I'm just going to add purple. Okay, once you're done adding the options, you can click on create poll right here, and the poll will be sent to your group chat. Okay, and this is how the polls looks like. And here, if you want to see the result, you can click on view poll, just like this. Okay, and then that's all the way to create a group chat poll on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.